Come to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this absolutely stunning looking Mercedes A-Class AMG, finished in the best colour, electric blue. It's got front park distance control, gloss black alloy wheels with blue calipers, gloss black mirrors, got a wrapped roof, privacy glass to the rear, got park distance control to the back, full AMG body styling body kit. As you can see, the larger rear diffuser. DJH take all the pictures outside and the video, but all the cars are kept inside our indoor showroom for viewing. Boot area is lovely, comes with a parcel shelf. This also has the very rare exclusive pack, which is this interior, which is full black leather, proper leather, perforated in red with the red stitch piping, and that also goes throughout the car on the door cards and on the dash. It's a very rare option, that is. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors. To start the car up, it's done 815 miles. Got 3-stage heated seats as well here, keep it nice and warm in the winter. We've got satellite navigation with the maps on there. Come up in a minute. Climate control, multifunction steering wheel, as I said before, you've got the park distance control here as well. It's in lovely condition. Paddle shift on the gearbox, multifunction steering wheel. At DJH, we have full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. Require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.